Hello. Welcome to the Health and Fitness TV. This is your host, Sunny. In this video, I am gonna talk about the health benefits of eating avocado every day. So, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Avocados. You smash them on toast, mash them in guacamole and chop them into a salad. But have you ever stopped to think about why they're one of the heroes of your fruit bowl? Avocados are a powerhouse of nutrients that can help your long-term health. Number 1. They're loaded with nutrients. The health benefits of avocados are almost endless. Rich in folate, they're also high in vitamin C and antioxidants and is a good source of vitamin E, B5, K, fiber and niacin. Reap the rewards in this luxe snack. Number 2. They contain good monounsaturated fat. Avocado is the only fruit, apart from olives, that contains good monounsaturated fat, which protects against heart disease and helps lower blood pressure. With just 22% total fat, much lower than butter or mayo, it's a healthier toast topping or sandwich spread. Try it out in these cornbread toasts with avocado and chili. Number 3. They're a good source of potassium. Bet you didn't know avocado is also an impressive source of potassium? Important for muscle strength, nerve function and heart health, it's just another reason to eat more of these smashed avocado nachos. Number 4. They're great for the skin. Avocado and avocado oil have been linked to skin benefits because of their high vitamin C content, which helps build collagen in the skin to maintain firmness and elasticity. Number 5. They're great for weight management. The healthy fats in avocado release hormones in the intestine to signal fullness and increase satiety. Research has found that people who eat avocado weigh less, have a lower BMI and a smaller waist circumference compared to those who don't. Number 6. They're sugar-free. Despite having no sugar, avocado still has a sweet side. With its mild flavor and creamy texture, avocado can be used as a butter substitute in desserts like cakes, brownies or these better-for-you Snickers dessert cups. Number 7. They can improve brain function. Want to kickstart your brain in the morning? Skip the coffee and eat some avocado instead. All the nutrients in avocado can help boost your energy levels, fight fatigue and put you in a good mood. Number 8. They help support growing bodies. Avocado's soft and creamy texture and mild flavor make them an ideal first food for babies. The vitamins and minerals in avocados also help infant growth and development, brain function, muscles and nerves, and immunity. Number 9. They help absorb nutrients from other foods. The healthy fats in avocado help our body absorb the nutrients from other foods. Number 10. They help protect your eyes. The colorful carotenoids in avocado such as beta-carotene, cryptoxanthin, lutein and zeaxanthin not only give it its unique color, they also play an important role in maintaining eye health. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please share it with your friends and family. If you have a topic that you would like us to cover on this channel, put it down in the comment section below. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you are the first one to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks a lot for your love and support. See you all in the next video.